signs you're committing mortgage fraud. We're going to talk about that today. So this is something that keeps on coming up in team meetings because I think it's because I'm on YouTube and I do a lot of mortgage education. We attract a lot of wonderful first-time home buyers and VA buyers and repeat buyers. We get a ton of amazing, magical, wonderful people, and we appreciate you. We probably get about 3% creep though. So let me tell you what that is. It's someone who constantly says things during the conversation like, well, what if I didn't tell you that? Well, what if that was different? What if I wasn't in that lawsuit? What if? And it's like, okay, you've already told me you're being sued. You've already told me that you're, currently separated from your wife and you have no legal documentation on it and you're expecting a custody fight. You've already told me that you're gonna have your boss increase your wages so you qualify. You've already told me all these things that are gonna make it so that I can't do your loan. So if a lender's saying to you, hey, based on XYZ, this isn't looking possible, once, for instance, with a custody fight, once you guys have that determined, come back. We're happy to help you. It is not the moment to say, well, what if I hadn't told you about the custody fight? Okay? Whenever you're trying to omit factual information, you are potentially committing mortgage fraud. Yes. Now, are we going to be calling the feds on you? Beep, boop, beep, boop. No, but we are going to be saying we can't do that. And sometimes people get really angry. Like I've had people be like, well, why can't you? I'm changing what I said. And I'm literally like, it is the times that I sit on the phone and I'm like, why do I even do this? Like, because I have had some calls over the last 2 years and, we love answering questions and 99.9% of the time, it's great. We help the person, they're happy, they're thankful, fantastic. But that 0.1% where we get these people that are calling us to try to figure out how to manipulate the system, that's where I really hit a roadblock. So I've been talking to my team about it and we're trying to figure out how to handle it. And we, always do the very nice, like, look, I'm really sorry. Unfortunately, you've given me this factual information. I can't move forward, period. We can't, guys, we can't, and there are other lenders that will ignore that and be like, oh yeah, let's work it that way. Yeah, sure, we'll get it through. We're not that lender. Okay, I am as by the books as they come. Here's why. Number one, it's the way you should be. Number two, right? Number two, I'm licensed in 46 states. If I lose my license in one state, I lose them in all states. I have over 20 families that count on me every single month to help bring in new business. I can't risk my license because if I risk my license and I lose my job, I am letting down a lot of people and I'm not okay with that. And it's really frustrating when people will be like, oh, I thought you were a good lender. You're not a good lender. And it's like, dude, I'm not going to help you commit fraud. So for anyone who's watching this or who's been watching my channel hoping that I'm going to help them work the system with my knowledge, I am not that type of lender. No one on my team is that type of lender. We do not use our expertise to commit fraud. And that's what it is. And I know a lot of people are like, well, it's just mortgage fraud. Like, what is that? Is that even real? Yes, it's real. Yes, it is a big deal. And the other thing is that beyond like being a rule follower, this stuff was designed to protect you guys. Like, that's the thing. A lot of this stuff is designed to protect you guys. An underwriter can't make a real determination on your file without all the factual information. If you have something happening in your personal situation that's going to affect you financially and we don't know the outcome of that yet, we can't make an accurate determination. It's that simple. So look, I am always happy to answer any question that you guys have. Everyone on my team's happy to help. We love educating you guys. However, if you're that 0.1% that wants to call and try to use my expertise for fraud, just don't call, okay? Because I am seriously considering a new policy of just hanging up. So let me know what you guys think. Should I just hang up on people who are trying to commit fraud? Do I gently get off the phone? Do I say fraudster and hang up? What do you guys think we should do? Do we call the po-po? What do we do? Thanks for watching.